Hi guys, we're out today. It's Saturday and this is our first day in Chiang Mai that I think we will be out for the whole day. And we will rent a bike and we will go to temples. We're not sure what temples, but I told
I think we can
Ritesh,
visit like 6 temples today.
yeah, maybe let's see. It's already like 1 p.m. But sunset naman is late here in Thailand, so it's okay. And we actually have been here in Chiang Mai before, so we don't need to visit much temples because we already visited them before. I just want to visit Doi Suthep because I haven't been there. Yeah, so you don't see a lot of, that we travel a lot here in Chiang Mai because we have been here before. We traveled.
But we can add the 2019's pictures.
Maybe.
Yeah.
Because we have been here. We have been to Doi Tanon, Chiang Rai, also the border, but it was before. So we didn't do it now. We just actually, like go out at the night and eat something.
Actually, we are just being like a local.
Like
Yeah, we are living
like
like a local.
We eat on a local karinderya. So yeah. So now we are going to rent for a bike for today. Let's see.
I think
how
we'll
it will
eat
go.
first.
I will eat first and we'll find something good to eat. Let's go!
Khao soy. Okay. Pad Thai for me.
So guys, right now we are renting a bike. Yan si Ritesh. Itong bike na to, yung dalawa ay 250 baht daw and the rest is 300. Ito naman, ang mas malalaki ay 500 baht daw ang rent. So guys, here we are wearing the helmet and coming to the bike now. All the best. Sana wala kami maging problema. Medyo kinakabahan ako sa gagawin namin na to eh.
Wait. Should be late.
So yun. Let's go, Ritesh. God bless our trip. Yeah, so guys, we're here on the red light. We're on the red light. Stop. Traffic na kaya. Vlog na tayo.
Okay,
Yeah.
so it's red light. And to the surprise, when it will turn green, no one will honk.
No one will honk. Yeah, like India. Unlike India. So guys, we're going here. My phone is here.
So it's a long route. We are going to a temple which is very, very far. And
ayan, nakarating na kami dito sa Doi Suthep at nagpa-park si Ritesh. My feet hurts. Ito yan, paakyat ng Doi Suthep. Parang bagyo lang eh.
हम तो देखा छोटी सी है.
Hindi ko alam guys kung kita nyo dito. Pero grabe, sobrang taas pala na to.
दिख रहा है क्या आपको?
Ang malaki. Ang haba ng aakyatan. Nakita nyo na ba yan? So, ayan nga lang palang admission fee dito sa Doi Suthep. 30 baht kapag foreigners. So, ayan, si Ritesh nabili siya. Tingnan niyo ako guys, hingal na hingal ako. Kasi, umakit ako ng umakit kami ng mataas at hindi ako sanay sa mga akyatan. Ayan, nakabili na si Ritesh ng tickets. Bakit may butas? Why there's a...
Let's go.
I'm so tired.
You're tired, grandma.
And guys, we're coming up again. So all the temples here in Doi Suthep.
Funny.
You need pani daw, water. Ritesh na is a lolo. Yeah. You know what is a lolo?
Yeah.
My grandfather.
Who's saying?
Yeah. He's tired. Drinking pani in front of the temple.
You can just put outside also. I think
Yeah.
there also.
I already told you to put outside, but Ritesh is so silly. He wants to put pa on the shoe locker. Kala mo naman mahalin yung mga sapatos namin. Lazada lang yun.
Yeah, because in India.
Yeah, but shoes, you know. It's just, you know.
They still shoes in India.
Really?
Yeah, really.
Ayan,
Outside.
si Ritesh medyo traumatic na pala sa India, kaya gusto kong
Temples are
maglako.
infamous for this thing. Yeah,
Nah.
if you just leave your shoes unattended or without security, then they will be stolen for sure.
Okay. Kaya pala, may pinaghuhugutan pala si Ritesh, kaya naman pala gusto kong mag-shoe locker. Ayan, pasok na tayo sa mga temple. Is that Lord Ganesha? Elephant God? Ritesh doesn't even know. Ayan ang mga temples.
Học viênด้านในไว้ตรวจได้ครับ
They have donation for the. This is the donation box. A lot of Vedas. This here. Sleeping Buddha. Wait. Picture era of Ritesh for me. So we are going up. And here's the view of Chiang Mai in a distance. Easy. So nice.
Chicken, dog, pig, or elephant. Today, year of dragon.
So nice. Say hi, Ritesh. Say hi to Ritesh. Nakikita nyo ba si Ritesh maitim? Come up. So guys, we're going down from this temple.
Amazing.
And this is worth the price. Yeah, 30 baht. Going down, and how many steps is this? I don't know.
Maybe like
I read 300 plus.
no way.
No,
Just no.
maybe there's another one that we don't
No,
have.
just like less than 100.
No way.
No? Less than like 150 or 200. That's fine.
Maybe the 300 plus. There's another way. We did not go that way.
No.
So on the way, nakita namin itong Huay Keaw Waterfall. I'm not sure if right ang spelling. Pero yan siya. Ang mga ilog-ilog lang naman. Maliit lang siya. At dahil nandito na rin naman kami, kaya pinuntahan na na.
Oh, it's just like you can go up.
Ah, yeah.
It's like hiking. You can
Hiking.
go up.
Huay Keaw Waterfall. Oh, nice. That's there. It's there. Yeah. It's so nice. It's actually nice that the waterfall is there.
We'll go up.
We can just come here. We cannot go up, I think.
You cannot.
We will just look. Should we go from there?
We'll not go up. We'll just stay here.
Yeah. It's not allowed now. It's closed now at 6:30. At ano? 4. What is 16? 5:30? 4:30. So we are afraid to roam because we might get caught. But there's there are a lot of people pa naman here.
I just want to put my feet in the water.
In the water. Ritesh wants to put his feet down in the water. But how? I think we did the wrong way. Yeah, that's the way. It's here. Guys, these are namin waterfall. Ang bato-bato. Ano yan, kahit bawal nang pumasok ng mga tao pa rin naman. May foreigners pa nga doon sa babae. And ayan yung waterfall yan. Laki siya. Hindi ko lang alam kung visible dito sa 360. One thing kasi na pangit dito, wala pala tong zoom. Kasi yan si Ritesh, magpa-post pa siya yan. So daw niya ilublob ang kanyang paa. Ayan na po si Ritesh. Naglagay na ng nagbabad na ng paa niya sa waterfall. Is it cold? Yeah. Yan, marami pang mga tao dito. Pero I think it's a good picture spot, oh. Like autumn. Like a good picture spot. Yeah. No, this one, the trees. Autumn. And no, it's okay. I can just soak my feet possibly.
You want to soak it?
Yes.
No?
Yeah, I will soak my feet also.
But it's very slippery.
I will remove my feet. No. Yes. The bag should be here.
It's slippery.
Yan po. Nagpasa na kami ng paala dito. Let's go! Dumating po. Guys, nadulas si Ritesh dito. Ayan, basa. Turn back. Basa siya tuloy. Ay, no. Let's go na, let's go na.